Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Let's check what's on the menu for today. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so hungry. Let's check on the menu for today. We're gonna cook some tun-cornmeal and some curry chicken. So stay tuned for that. Okay, guys. Remember, like up a video, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, check out the ingredients. I will at night. Curry chicken, yummy. Got that, guys. Yeah, guys, this is the ingredients. Yeah, we got some peas here, so cornmeal, chicken, curry. So we have some curry chicken, tun-cornmeal, some peas in it, some coconut milk. Yes, I'm going to check in my back garden if I get some gungo and I mix it with it. And then we're going to put it on the fire. See the fire over there, so I already catch up. But yeah, but I'm going to get some more fuel for the fire and then I light it. Yeah, we got oil here, so we got onion, garlic, Irish to put in the curry chicken. Yeah, that is it, guys. So we're gonna get some more wood and light the fire, so stay tuned for that. Guys, it look like a whole of the gungo them dried down. Yes, you throw the jout, guys. Yeah, the gungo them look at we still look at them. Yeah, gungo them kind of dry up, guys. Look at that. Yeah, but we're gonna pick a few of them still and put in there. Yeah, check it out. Lots of gungo tree around here. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so we play gungo. So we're gonna cook gungo in the tun-cornmeal. So show you for that. Okay, guys. We're gonna pick a few. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. Got a few right here. Yeah, so we're gonna shell it out now and mix it up with the red peas and put it on the fire, cause you know them dry, it'll take a long while to cook, so we have to do it now. A lot more left on the tree, but them too dry through the weather. Them too dry and them get dry out. So just this I'm gonna cook. It's time to light it. That is it. Fire start to blaze now. That is it. Peas fully shell out now, guys. Yeah. So we have gungo here mixed with some round red peas. That is it. Somebody to use. Yeah. So we have some garlic cut up in the water. Fire's blazing. Yeah. Pot on the fire now. Look at that, guys. Yeah. I get the meat cutting up. Yeah, that is it. Curry, I curry it. Some onion, pepper, everything. That is it. Stay tuned for the channel. Yeah, down gonna be banging, guys. Yardman style, Yardman TV. Okay, like up the channel. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Now chicken fully seasoned. There's some all-purpose jerk season, salt. Yeah, it's fully seasoned to the bone and marinated already. Now we're gonna cut up an onion on it and some garlic with the Irish. Yeah, so we're gonna get this cut up. Yeah, first we're gonna add some curry on it. Yeah, some curry on it. Yeah, remember Tun-cornmeal and curry chicken, guys. Cornmeal right there. I'm gonna throw the cornmeal in some water, make it go and soak. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Fully seasoned. Seasoned to the bone. Curry chicken. That is it. So I'm gonna get this cut up on it now and let it marinate. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Over here. Bubbling. Yeah, so I get the cornmeal and some coconut milk now and let this meat marinate it for about 20 minutes. I will fry it up. Stay tuned for that. So beautiful, guys. Look at that. Yes, guys. So beautiful. Yeah, look at it. It's gonna be so yummy. Yeah, man, fully seasoned to the bone, guys. Yeah, like up the video and remember to check out the description in the description link. Okay, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful meat, well seasoned up and ready. Cornmeal soaked in coconut milk. Yeah, Tun-cornmeal settings. Tun-cornmeal curry chicken. It's gonna be yummy. Yeah, we throw this little coconut milk in chicken and make it simmer down. So I get some oil in our frying pot now. Yeah, that's how to curry the chicken. Yeah, fire is blazing. Look at that. Yeah, as soon as that hot, we throw the chicken in it. Yeah, guys, it's a dry out. Time to add in the coconut milk. Time to get the coconut milk in the peas pot now. Ah, yeah. We're gonna add the cornmeal in this one now. Let it go and soak. Right here. Remember, Tun-cornmeal now, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be so yummy. Add some more coconut milk on it. Alright, in the meantime, I use this little in the chicken. I put on curry chicken pot. Yeah, make it go hot. Right here. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, it's gonna be so yummy. Subscribe to the channel. Time to add the cornmeal now and start to fry up the chicken. Look at that. I will at my people. No joke. Blazing. Yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend. Like up the video. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, I take a check in my pot now. Whoa. Look at that. Bubbling. Time for the cornmeal now, my people. The oil over there so hot. Yeah, no joke. Yeah, get the cornmeal now. The coconut milk in it. Yeah, look at that. Still going in the kitchen, people. Get it in it now. Yeah, make it flash up now, the oil hot now. Yes, my people. Look at that. Yeah, give it a little stir. Look at that. Yummy. My people, cut up one whole onion night and I'm never showing you guys. So it's fully seasoned. No joke. Scallion, I never shown and garlic. Yeah, I make that go and simmer down now slowly Yeah, I push more of the fire to the meat side. I don't want it burn up. I don't want it simmer slowly. Yeah, let all of the fire over here, so yeah. Right, well that, you know, my people. Blazing. So we'll cover up that now and make it go and simmer slowly with slow heat. Okay guys, look at that. Yeah, I already take out the chicken out of the seasoning. Yeah, I rest it right here, so I'm gonna add some curry in the pot now. I'm gonna curry chicken, you know. Ah, yummy. Got that, guys. I will that, guys. Well hot. Yeah, got that, guys. Yeah, give it a little stir now. Yeah, let it burn a little. The curry. That is it. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Yardman TV. Subscribe to the channel. Go take a check for the cornmeal now. Yeah, turn cornmeal chicken, guys. Look at that. So go and simmer. Yeah, give. Got it to flip now. Yeah, man. Let it burn a little. Got the description in the video. Okay, guys. Guys, check out the description in the video. Okay, guys. Yeah, that is it. Also, leave a comment where you're watching from. Let it go and burn a little. Burning. That is it. Check out the fire. Blaze. Yeah, Tun-cornmeal over here, so. That is it. Okay, guys. Yeah, right here, so we got this ready for throwing the. Got like a coconut milk here. Yeah, we got a soup mix right here. So we're gonna add like a soup mix in it. After we put this in there, we got it. Alright, guys. Give it a little stir. Yeah, guys, beautiful, guys. I'm gonna add the coconut milk now. Coconut milk. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel, people. Comment where you're watching from. Okay, guys. Yeah, let that simmer down. But first, we're gonna add the soup mix to it. Alright, got the soup mix in it. It's gonna be so yummy. New style, guys. Check it out. Leave a comment if you need the ingredients. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's gonna be so yummy, guys. Irish and the meat well fried. So give it about 20 minutes to simmer down. Let's check on the cornmeal right here. Ah, look at that, guys. Actually ready now, guys. Yeah, fully steaming, bubbling. Yeah, that is it. That look a stir. Look at that. Yeah, rich. Can you see the peas them? The onion. Yeah. Hot. Yeah, guys. Give that about 20 minutes. This can actually come off now. Get ready. Have a little feast, but after 20 minutes time. Yeah guys, take a check on it now. Look at that. Bubbling. Yes guys, look at that. Yeah. Bubbling guys. No joke guys. Subscribe to the channel. Look at that. Yeah. Give that about 10 more minutes and then start eat. Food gonna nice, food gonna be so yummy. Okay guys, time to eat now. Get the pot off of the fire now guys. Check what I'm going. Look at that. Yummy. Ready guys. Yeah, take it off now. Look at that guys. Yeah. Right here. Alright. So we got Tun-cornmeal here guys. Yeah, so we got Tun-cornmeal. Yeah man, curry chicken. Well hot. Look at that. So hot. That burn me. Yeah. Tun-cornmeal. So I'm going to share it now right here. Have a look at feast right here now. Yeah. Look at that. Let's do one hand me a few guys that kind of difficult but still yeah, man. Yeah. Beautiful. Have a little taste. Yummy. Yummy. Oh, look at that. Job. Please make it nice, my people. Yo, I can't believe. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Tun-cornmeal and curry chicken. People, I tell you, say yo, this a food that real food, my people. Yeah man, on a piece of chicken. People, share up the video. Whole world have to see this. Tun-cornmeal, people. And curry chicken. Fire under some people. Fire still warm. Yeah, look at that. Yes, for people. Look at that. Yeah, still people. Only thing I want now are some Jenkins. Yo, look at that. People comment if you want the recipe. Look at that. Take another taste. People can taste the coconut milk. at that again, people. Yo. Mm.